In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved Google Looker Studio reports. Looker Studio is Google's free tool for building and sharing interactive dashboards. If you've created reports before, they're automatically saved to your Looker Studio homepage, so the quickest way to get back to them is right inside the app. Let's walk through exactly where they live and how to spot them quickly. First, open your web browser and head to lookerstudio.google.com. This is the central hub for everything you've built in Looker Studio. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a clean dashboard with a few sections showcasing your content. It may show templates or recent items near the top, and then more of your own content as you scroll. To locate your saved reports, move toward the bottom of the homepage. Your saved reports appear there as a collection of tiles or thumbnails. Each tile usually displays the report's name, a small preview, and details like who owns it and when it was last opened. If you've built a lot of dashboards, this section can be fairly long, so give the page a moment to load more items as you scroll. Keep an eye on the labels. You might see headings such as recent or similar categories that include your saved work. The key idea is simple. Go to the Looker Studio homepage, then scroll down to the bottom area where your report tiles are shown. A few quick tips to help you identify the right report faster. The thumbnail preview often hints at the charts or layout inside, so scan for familiar colors or shapes you remember using. The report title is clickable and matches what you named it when you created it. If you work across multiple projects, it's helpful to remember the naming convention you used, like including the client name or date in the title, so it stands out in the list. If you use more than one Google account, make sure the avatar in the top right corner of the page matches the account where your reports were created, so the right library is displayed. That's all there is to it. By going to lookerstudio.google.com and scrolling to the bottom of the homepage, you'll find your saved reports waiting for you. From there, you can quickly recognize the one you need and continue your analysis or share it with your team. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any part to follow along as you navigate your own Looker Studio homepage.